In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert thumbs up emoji in Outlook. By the end, you'll be able to add a clear, friendly thumbs up to any message without hunting around or guessing where it lives. First, open Outlook. This works whether you are replying to an email or composing a brand new one. If you are responding to someone, open the message and click Reply. If you are starting fresh, click to create a new email. Either way, you'll have a message window ready to edit. Next, click into the exact spot where you want the emoji to appear. This cursor placement step is important because the emoji will be inserted right where your cursor is blinking. If you want the thumbs up in the body of the email, place it there. If you prefer it in the subject line or after a sentence, click precisely at that point. A little extra space before and after can help it look cleaner. Now, go to the Insert tab and click Emoji. On the desktop app, you'll find Insert along the top ribbon of the message window. If you don't see emoji there, open the three dots menu to reveal more options and select Emoji. On some layouts, the emoji option is tucked behind that menu. So the three dots are your friend when something isn't immediately visible. When the emoji panel opens, use the search bar to make this quick. Type thumbs up. You'll see matching results, usually the familiar hand icon in a few styles. Click the thumbs up emoji to insert it right into your message. If you need more than one, click it again. If your version of Outlook shows variations, you can choose the style you prefer. Once inserted, the emoji behaves like text. You can add a space before or after it. Move it with your arrow keys or even change its size using the font size controls if you want it slightly larger or smaller. To match your message's look, take a moment to review the placement. If it landed in the wrong spot, just cut and paste or drag it into position. If you are happy with how it looks, continue writing your message or go ahead and send your reply. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.